Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Jabra Evolve2 85 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, and after that move this slider down and hold it until this LED light it starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list. Sometimes it happened, just click again. Then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!